Guys,
Hey yo, how old are you?
I'm good for thank you. ምን አገባህ?
How old are you?
ምን አገባህ? ስለኔ how old are you ብለህ የምትጠይቀው? ስለኔ እድሜ አንተ ምን አገባህ? አልናገርም እድሜን። እምቢ
አልናገርም እድሜ። ይሴኪ ጋይሽ
አልናገርም። how old are you? You.
61.
First you tell me, I will tell you right now.
Okay, I'm 29.
29? What the fuck? You are big, bro. What the heck?
I'm big. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm 21.
You're 21?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
What happened to you?
After 1 month, I lived 22. Like right now, this month.
What happened to you?
Yeah. I'm baby, bro.
No, you look like baby. You look at least 30 or 29, 28.
Comment section, only comment section, bro. Your mind is only 22. Comment section, like your mind is change. She's 25, she's 22, she's like your mind only 22.
What the fuck?
Shut up, guys.
You shut up.